Open Blender. Create a new file. Delete the default cube. Add a UV sphere. Add a plane. Scale it to 4.5 by pressing S. Adjust it so that it touches the top of the sphere. Go to Edit Mode and subdivide it 100 times. Select the centermost face in Face Select in Edit Mode. Go to Data Properties and add a vertex group under the Vertex section. Assign the selected square to it. Now go and select faces you want to make a hole in for ghost eyes. For this, press C in the keyboard to select the faces. Press Delete and then click on Delete by Faces. Now go back to View Mode and select Sphere. Go into the Physics modifier and select Collision. Select the plane and press Close under the Physics section. Turn on Internal Collision Object and Self Collision. Also select the Vertex group under Shape, Pin Group. Set End to 200. Now parent the plane under Sphere. Now animate the sphere by going to the 100th frame in the timeline and pressing I. Again go to the 130th frame and move the sphere in the X direction. Again press I to confirm its location. Now select the frame that looks right for you. Now while selecting Plane in Physics tab, go to Cache and hit Bake. Now go to the Modifier tab and subdivide it. And finally Shade Smooth. Also, don't forget to hide the sphere by pressing the camera icon and icon. Finally, your ghost is ready and could be used by using a different shader. For example, I have used this ghost from my Haunted Manor scene with halftone shader. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on creating a ghost effect in Blender. If you found this helpful and want to catch my next video on making a halftone shader, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support really helps me keep making more great content. See you in the next tutorial.